In today's Mauro Films episode, we are taking a look into the new Comica BoomX-D iteration. And yes, this is the BoomX-D PRO version, and the main function is the actual record button, so you can store up to 24 hours inside the transmitter. Yes, I have two of them, so you can actually have a safe recording without the worry about cut transmissions, wireless interference or editing. Let's get straight into it. And if you want to check the links in the description, I have made also the past iterations from the Comica lineup, and they will be linked under it so you can check all my reviews and decide which one is best for your production. And yes, I got the black and white version of this system. Today we'll be reviewing the white version. Presumably, yes, this will be also great for weddings because it will blend better on the white dress of the bride, with white lavalier included. And this is the Comica BoomX-D PRO D2 version, when you get two transmitters and one receiver with all the lavaliers and cables. We shall go straight to an in-depth review, go outside to test actually the sound quality in the field with a windy situation, and test actual on-board recording straight from the transmitter, the lavalier microphone and the safe recording with the 8GB memory inside. The 8GB internal memory recording on the transmitter means that you can actually have up to 24 hours of recording, safe recording inside. And that's pretty much amazing. You just connect it via the USB-C dedicated cable that you get in the box and connect it to your computer, and you actually transfer the files and you have the safe recording that we'll hear later is really good. I had a lot of times audio disconnections and actual interference, and this is a lifesaver when going outside in a run and gun situation. You get the whole system in a nicely designed package with all the accessories needed. Triple USB-C charging cable that acts also as a digital interface if connected to your computer. Two white lavalier microphones. Two win muff for the onboard microphones. Canon, Nikon cable, Sony, Fuji, Panasonic cable with all the well and detailed user manual. Once you power the microphones, they will instantaneously connect and you are ready to go in seconds. Both the transmitters and the receivers have a great OLED screen to read all the data. Battery power, microphone connection, recording status and picking level. On the side, you'll find the record button for the safe internal recording, USB transfer and charging. On the right, power, mute button and pair button. On top there is the built-in microphone with the mic lavalier input. The receiver has the same design with the visible two transmitter connection, picking levels, batteries and the modes for it. Recording in mono mode, stereo or safety track. On the side, you will be able also to adjust each track decibel level regarding on what mode you are recording. On top there is a headphones monitoring jack and the audio port for your camera. The system is really light and it weighs just 29 grams for each transmitter, making it an under 100 grams for all the three. The 3300 mAh battery will last around 4 hours, both on the transmitter and the receiver. All the three devices have also belt clip holders that also act as horseshoe mount. Enough said, let's get outside to test actually these microphones in the field and understand the wireless connection, if there is any interference, actual recording straight from this microphone with the internal recording and with the lavalier. Let's get out. Welcome to the Mauro Films testing ground. Today it's chilly outside and we are testing the Comica BoomX Pro edition. And yes, we have some snowfall behind it, and yes, it's perfect for testing the onboard microphone with the wind muff on. And yes, it's windy outside. And now we are making a distance test. Actually, my colleague Mirgo is around 50 meters from me, and we are testing actual wireless connectivity and if is there some interference where I am filming in this not so populated Wi-Fi area. And I'm holding the small rig on my hand. And now I'm talking actually to test out the connection. If something happens, it will disconnect or I don't know, but it looks like it works fine. And this is now the onboard microphone with the wind muff on. And this is the sound you get in a really windy situation walking toward the cameraman. Okay, so now we are testing the lavalier microphone in this 11th century ruins of an old church. And yes, we are also using the internal recording on the Comica-D PRO edition, so we are making a double recording with this lavalier microphone internally and on the camera that are shooting Mirko. Yes, this is actually a sound test, and this is the sound you get from the external lavalier in this windy situation with kind of an wind muff on it. It's a bigger soft wind muff, but it's not the bigger one that actually made especially for the wind. This kind of in the middle. After listening to all the three variants, I can't complain about anything. And actually, the safe recording inside the transmitter will also offer great quality.